I can't believe I'm saying this, but we are in a golden age here of Google Ads. An age where Google is listening to advertisers, making their product better, and hopefully making the lives of you, an advertiser, even better as well. When their Performance Max campaign type came out, it was very flawed, needed a lot of work. And we've seen some miraculous changes to Performance Max here over the past month. Firstly, you could never see keyword queries before, or search queries. You would get these themes, it was called a search category. And now Performance Max will be rolling out actual queries so you can see where you show. Additionally, we're going to be able to see the channel performance, not just a black box number. But I think the most important thing is that for a long time, there were ways where you could exclude brands, ways you could exclude sort of hot keywords that you know are always going to be a negative term, something like maybe bad credit, no credit that you just never want in your account. But Performance Max added negative keywords. And to start, they said you have 100 keywords. And our advertisers, we were like, no, we need more than that. We can now have 10,000 negative keywords, which is a huge improvement. And they talked about supporting keyword lists as well, negative keyword lists. Not only that, but we just got access to some betas where we can use device type targeting for Performance Max. They now have high value customer targeting. And I just want to say, we've lived for many, many years in this era of Google not really listening to customers, which is shocking to me because that's why their stock price is so high. But it's turned. And even so, just last month, Google came out with new ways to even contact support, where instead of calling up and being on hold, you can get a call delivered to you. And we have seen fantastic performance across the board with everything. With PMax, we can really gear and direct things in a greater way with more control than we ever have. And there's a lot of negative talk. You might have heard it on this very newsletter last month about some changes that aren't ideal. Well, credit where credit is due. We have got a slew of great new changes, and it's just another calling to you. If you've tried something in the past and it didn't work, it may be different today. And it's something that all great marketers think like is, hey, change my mind, please. And the minute that it's changed and we can find pockets of profitability and ways to succeed, we take them. So very happy newsletter video here this month. And if you have any questions on Performance Max, if you're using it for lead gen, you really need a down funnel conversion. It's got to be something with high friction like a sale or an SQL. But if you need help with it, we are here to help you. Just reach out and we'd love to take a look, give you a free audit and tell you how you can be using Performance Max and a lot of these other new great Google features to help you succeed.